Alright guys, I got the mattress vacuum from Amazon, and I just want to show you the unboxing and a little bit of demo. Okay, it comes with a USB charging cable, user's manual. Let's put this one aside. So this is the vacuum itself. Right, power on. So it's pretty straightforward and basic. And let me try it. So just a quick demo. Yep. This is great for vacuuming your mattress before sleeping. So make sure you don't have any dust. And what's nice is it has a UV light on the bottom. So that's basically it. This is the mattress vacuum, and I'll put the link down in the description so you can check it out. And this is pretty strong, a small vacuum. So hope you like this video, and if you have question, just hit me on the comment down the section below, and I appreciate if you like it and share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Thanks. Bye bye.